coming out of it. What are those bugs?
Oh, dang.
Oh my god. There's a sack of maggots in there. I'm not kidding.
Grab this force.
Oh, look at how big
Oh my.
So much stuff in there.
Grab. Look at him go.
There's that beetle.
Wow.
He's wiggling.
Oh my gosh, you're right. There is a sack of.
I told you there's a sack right there.
Wow.
See him moving?
It's right by your finger.
Oh, right there.
Yeah.
What is it?
Hold on,
Bust
I'm
it
going to
open.
focus on the squirming sack.
You should cut it
Dang.
Yeah, busted open.
I bet those are beetle larvae now. Yeah, cut that open.
Here they come. I see them heads.
Oh,
There they are.
dang.
Wow, there's more on your finger.
Oh my god.
And they are born. Wow. Welcome to Earth.
You got the beetle.
I'm scared. He's gonna fly.
Dang.
Should I put it in the bag?
Oh, he's still
back.
going.
You ain't getting out today.
We're going to ID that beetle.
Yeah, we're gonna find out what it is.